In this video, we are going to walk through how to enable your Shopify inventory to sync from Warehance back into Shopify in real time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got my Shopify store here. Let's just take one of these that doesn't have any inventory. Let's take this. Great. Let me click in here so we can get this exact. I'm going to look this product up. So we can see right now it shows there's 20 in the shop location. Great. So let's go ahead and pull up our product in here. Let's make sure we have some inventory for this. I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust, and I'm going to say, just choose a random location, and we'll call this reconciliation. We'll add 100, 150. Great. So now what I'm going to do, you can see there's 150. I'm going to go to stores, click into the Shopify store, and then click into settings. And then in here, I'm going to check overwrite Shopify inventory. What this is going to do is this is going to enable sync back to Shopify. So I'm going to hit save. It's going to save. And then I'm going to go back in here. And usually this is pretty quick. Let's go ahead and give this just a minute. And we'll see it show up in here. All right, great. So it took about 2 minutes. And sometimes the initial inventory push takes longer than normal. Usually inventory stays in sync within 30 to 60 seconds. But you can see now, if I refresh the page, it shows up under our Warehance location here. And so now this inventory will be available on Shopify.